When most teams evaluate ERPs, they start by asking, what's the best ERP out there? But that's the wrong question. The better question is, what does my business actually need? No ERP is universally the best. What matters is whether it fits your operations, your people, and your goals. And the only way to figure out that is to nail your requirements up front. In this video, we'll cover the 14 most important ERP requirements you should have on your radar, explain why each one matters, and give you a free ERP requirements template so you don't miss anything when you start comparing vendors. Before we dive in, a quick thank you to our sponsors. This video is brought to you by several ERP leaders, including our title sponsor, DELMIAWorks, as well as Epicor, QT9, Genius ERP, and Suitemaster ERP. What a stellar group of platforms. You can learn more about each of them through the links in the description, and stick around to the end for more resources. All right, let's get into it. Requirement number 1, analytics and reporting. Your team has better things to do than dig through spreadsheets and chase down numbers. Your ERP should make it easy to see what's going on and where things are headed. Here's how. Real-time dashboards keep you in the loop with current sales, inventory, and financial data. You can build custom dashboard views to track exactly what matters to your team. Drill down functionality lets you click into figures to uncover product level or customer specific details. Why this matters. You can uncover patterns, measure performance, and share insights across teams, so decisions are driven by data, not guesswork. Requirement number 2, asset management. Every minute you spend hunting for equipment or dealing with surprise breakdowns is money lost. Asset management capabilities give you a clear record of what you own, where it is, and how it's performing. See asset status at a glance. Know if it's in use, idle, or out for repair. Prevent breakdowns. Set automatic service reminders by mileage, hours, or dates. Track life cycle and value. Monitor depreciation, purchase history, and plan replacements. Why this matters. You can reduce downtime, extend equipment life, and avoid overspending on replacements you don't need. Requirement number 3. Customer relationship management. An ERP with built-in CRM tools keeps every team connected to the customer from first contact to long-term retention. Sales can pull up account details, log interactions, and move deals forward in one place. Support teams instantly see order history, past issues, and open tickets. Account managers can easily schedule follow-ups and keep timelines on track, and operations teams have access to delivery preferences and service level details. Why this matters. Customer-facing teams get the info they need to respond faster, personalize interactions, and ultimately support business growth. Requirement number 4, finance and accounting. Your ERP shouldn't just record transactions, but actually help you make smarter financial decisions. Look for core accounting features like general ledger, AP, AR, and bank reconciliation, multi-entity and multi-currency support if you operate across regions or manage different business units, tax automation and compliance tracking to reduce manual work and stay audit ready, budgeting and forecasting capabilities that help you plan ahead with confidence. Why this matters. You can save time on routine accounting tasks, stay compliant, track your finances closely, and forecast cash flow accurately. Requirement number 5, HR management. Without an HR module, organizing data and supporting HR processes can be chaotic and messy. Look for features to assist your HR processes like checklists for onboarding, offboarding, and task handoffs, centralized employee profiles with pay history, leave balances, certifications, and performance notes, performance tracking with goals, feedback, and due dates, compliance automation for FMLA, overtime, leave accruals, and document retention. Why this matters. People managers can onboard faster, keep employee data accurate, run consistent reviews, and handle policies and documentation with ease. Requirement number 6, inventory management. With the right inventory management tools, you can track inventory in real time as it moves in, out, and across locations, set automatic reorder points based on demand and lead times, speed up receiving and picking with barcode scanning, manage inventory across multiple warehouses or stores. Why this matters. You can maintain the right stock levels, fulfill orders on time, and free up cash tied in excess inventory. Requirement number 7, manufacturing. You know the headache of pausing a job because components didn't arrive or a BOM was off. Manufacturing tools help you schedule jobs based on real-time capacity and material availability, manage BOMs to ensure accurate builds every time, track work orders as they progress, including labor and material usage, capture shop floor data instantly, output, downtime, and quality checks. Why this matters. You can reduce costly production delays, prevent material shortages, and catch quality issues before they escalate. Before we move on, a quick shout out to our title sponsor, DELMIAWorks. If you're a repetitive or batch process manufacturer, whether you're make to stock or make to order, DELMIAWorks is designed with you in mind. They're an end-to-end ERP built specifically for SMBs and mid-market manufacturers who need help managing repetitive operations on the shop floor and full operational visibility without bolting together a dozen different systems. And here's the kicker. DELMIAWorks believes in choice. You can deploy on-premise or in the cloud, choose perpetual or subscription licensing, and work with either their direct teams or a robust partner network across North America and worldwide. Thanks to DELMIAWorks for supporting this series. Check them out through the link in the description to see if it's the right fit for your business. Now, back to the tactics. Requirement number 8, order management. How often do orders stall due to missing info, pricing errors, or inventory mix-ups? Order management tools keep everything moving smoothly. You can validate pricing and data before orders are processed, track status in real time to avoid delays, auto-generate invoices as soon as items ship, reserve inventory instantly to prevent overselling, automatically send order and shipping updates to customers. Why this matters. You can process orders correctly, reserve stock instantly, invoice faster, and keep customers updated without manual follow-ups. Requirement number 9, procurement. If your business buys from multiple suppliers, managing orders and costs can quickly get complicated. Procurement features help you track every purchase by price, quantity, and delivery date. Supplier management. Store contacts and contracts and track supplier performance. Purchase orders. Create and track orders with built-in approvals. Spend analysis. Monitor spend by supplier, category, or project. Approval workflows. Route requests to the right manager automatically. Supplier portals. Share order info and get updates directly from vendors. Why this matters. You can reduce purchasing errors, control costs, and build stronger supplier relationships. Requirement number 10, project management. Your teams need the right tools to help them plan and execute projects on time and within budget. These features help everyone stay on track and aligned. Task tracking. Assign, prioritize, and monitor tasks. Resource management. Allocate people, equipment, and budgets efficiently. Timeline planning. Visualize schedules with calendars or Gantt charts. Collaboration tools. Share files and updates in one central place. Budget tracking. Compare actual spend to budget to avoid overruns. Why this matters. You can manage complex project workflows with clarity, ensuring the right people are doing the right work at the right time, without overspending. Requirement number 11, service management. Coordinating service operations is complex but critical. An ERP system brings it all together so you can manage requests, schedules, and field teams from a single source of truth. Appointment booking. Let customers schedule service through call centers, portals, or apps. Service requests. Log detailed requests using product and partner info. Service contracts. Manage terms, coverage, and billing for customer agreements. Installation management. Coordinate installs across teams, materials, and timelines. Technician portal. Let field staff manage tasks and updates on site. Why this matters. You can manage service delivery from booking to billing, reducing delays, cutting service costs, and keeping customer commitments on track. Requirement number 12, supply chain management. Keep your supply chain connected and responsive with tools that enable you to coordinate orders, forecasts, and delivery schedules with suppliers to prevent surprises. Get AI-driven recommendations to cluster, rank, and prioritize daily disruptions with impact analysis. Manage inbound and outbound logistics for timely warehouse operations. Track goods from raw materials to final delivery with full supply chain visibility. Why this matters. You can reduce lead times, manage logistics more efficiently, and track goods at every stage, from procurement to final delivery. Requirement 13, warehouse management. One wrong pick, one missing pallet, one late shipment, and the ripple effect hits fast. Upset customers, lost sales, and hours wasted fixing preventable mistakes. That's why control on the floor matters. That starts with an ERP that will help you receive advanced shipping notices with PO, SKU, and container details, perform batch picking for multiple orders simultaneously, apply cartonization based on item dimensions and container volume, combine picking, put away, and replenishment into a single task flow. Why this matters. You cut the hours wasted searching for stock, reduce picking mistakes that cause returns, and speed up shipments. Requirement number 14, integrations and extensibility. The right ERP supports integrations and flexible customization to fit your unique needs. You can connect core modules like finance, supply chain, and HR for unified data flow, link third-party tools like CRM systems, e-commerce apps, and BI solutions without disrupting operations, support complex workflows through middleware platforms, enable real-time automation with open APIs and webhooks. Why this matters. You ensure accurate, consistent data across all functions, reduce manual handoffs, and adapt your ERP as your business evolves. There you have it, top 14 ERP requirements. To download this list, get our free ERP requirements templates through the link in the description. We've been helping ERP buyers find the right solution since 2015. Our template is built on the back of that experience, with over 100 best practice requirements to choose from. One more big thank you to the sponsors who made this series possible, including our title sponsor, DELMIAWorks, as well as Epicor, QT9, Genius ERP, and Suitemaster ERP. Each of these brings unique value depending on your industry and use case, and we've included links in the description. All right, folks, that's it, that's all. See you next time. Cheers.